What's up?
My pin's frozen.
That's funny. The pin's frozen. Now I can kind of get through here on the four-wheeler.
Or you can get that one too. And there's a little one up there.
Yeah, I see the little one.
Huh?
Yeah, the little one.
You gonna leave enough room?
The little one I'd have to get rid of.
Yeah.
Technically, the Jeep can get back here too.
Yeah. Especially if you take that one out too next to it. That rotten one will probably crumble when we drive over it.
Yeah, hopefully, right? And this one. What's up? I just want to get it out of the way anyway.
No, that's a 4-foot. That right there.
Oh, okay.
That's standing up there. I stood that out.
Oh, did you?
To mark the spot area.
Okay. All right. Perfect.
I can hold it for you if you want.
Nice. Here, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
It's on.
You got snow on your hands.
Oh, yeah. It's waterproof.
Yeah, that's going to show up in your photos.
But you know it's real.
Right there by the nut.
Yeah.
It's frozen down, I think. There's the next one, and that's as far as I got. That's as far as I got.
Okay.
You want to try cutting that one down there? It's laying across the fence line?
Yeah, let's see.
Honestly, just cut it right here, so and right over there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just so we get it out of the way, so we can run the fence. Oh, your camera went off. It's frozen down.
What else taken?
Well, without the... You know, try cutting that big one down. It looks like it's going to hang up though, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'd say do the weed eater stuff first.
Here's your camera.
I was gonna start doing the stump. You want to do the stumps on the way back?
You want to do some of these out here?
I was gonna do the stumps, basically make it so the four-wheeler can go. So I was gonna get this one. Oh, all the way around?
Oh, sure.
So like this one, if you want to hold the camera, I'll wipe them out real quick.
I would start from that end and work this way so you can see what you're doing.
Oh yeah, it's pretty easy. Yeah. We don't move that far. Technically to this one.
Yeah, I think after this you should be able to wiggle your way back.
Yeah.
Because those are trees down there that will be pulled out. Huh? No, because you should be able to swing right through here.
Yep.
Looks good. That's a tree there.
This is the part where it's tricky. So we just took this down. So.
Well, right through here, this one, that one, and then that little one, you should be able to make it, right?
Same up this way.
Huh? I'd get this one just out of the way. Just We want to do that too, right?
Just go through this stump?
Oh, you go through here.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, yeah. Take out that little pine then.
Right? So then it just makes it easier to make the trail nicer at first. Yeah, I think that's...
That stump there. I think that's got it, doesn't it? Yeah. Yep. It's pine, but I burn pine. I try not to, but if I cut a pine tree down, I take it.
Yeah.
You want to cut from the other?
Huh?
You want to use the bottom of the blade. Cuts faster.
Does it?
Yeah. Plus it won't kick back at you. Yeah, the top of the blade will kick the saw back towards you.
I like doing the top.
Yeah, you only want to do it when you absolutely have to. Oh, you want to trim that one down too?
Yeah. Alright.
That's definitely got it.
Yep.
We can always do more if you want to make it wider.
Oh, no need to make it any wider. Heck yeah.